how to find the Wi-Fi password of our Windows 10 computer. To see the Wi-Fi password of your Windows 10 computer, we just need to go to the network settings option. So in the Windows taskbar, the down right side, there is a Wi-Fi icon. We just need to right click over there, and then it will pop up this type of menu, the troubleshoot and open network and internet settings. So from this menu we have to go open network and internet settings, this option. So I just need to click right click of that, and it will open the Wi-Fi's detail settings details. So here you will see first your Wi-Fi network name, something like that, and then after that there is a second block. Here you will find change your network settings, and under it you will find change adapter options. So this is the option we have to go to see the password, only this option. So we can access this menu, I mean this adapter options, by clicking here. So I'm going to click a left click over there. Once I click the left click, it will open all the networks of my current Windows 10. So here we see there are many networks, but only this network is connected through my Windows 10. So to check the password of this network, we just need to right click, and then we have to go the status option. Just do a left click to access the status window. So once we click status, then this type of window will appear, will be appeared. Then here there is general, and under there is details and wireless properties. Again we have to go this wireless properties to go see the Wi-Fi password. So I just clicked over there, and once I clicked over there, this type of window will come, where there will be your router name, wireless network properties, something like that. And then after that there will be two tab, connection security. We need to go to the securities tab. So I am just clicking over there to access the security, and from the security tab there are a couple options like security type, encryption type, network security key, this type of thing. And this is actually this key, network security key. This is the actual password of this Wi-Fi. By default all the password field, it is mentioned like dot 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 dot, something like that. To see the password, we just need to check this checkbox, show characters. If we click on here, it will be checked, and the Wi-Fi password will be visible and readable. You can easily check the Wi-Fi password. So in this way you can easily find your Wi-Fi password of your Windows 10 computer. Hopefully this video will be helpful to figure out the Wi-Fi password of your Windows 10 computer. Thank you for watching.